Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant at work. It builds on Bing Chat Enterprise but is in a class all its own. It includes enterprise-grade security, privacy, compliance, and responsible AI to ensure all data processing happens inside your Microsoft 365 tenant using technology Microsoft 365 customers have relied on for years. Microsoft 365 Chat is the new hero experience for Microsoft 365 Copilot and goes far beyond simple questions and answers. It combs across your entire universe of data, all your emails, meetings, chats, documents, and more, plus the web to solve your most complex problems at work. And it's integrated into the Microsoft 365 apps millions of people use every day: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. Already used by tens of thousands of enterprise users in our early access program, EAP, including customers at companies like Visa, General Motors, KPMG, and Lumen Technologies. Microsoft 365 Copilot will be generally available for enterprise customers for $30 per user per month on November 1st. Copilot in Excel enables anyone to analyze and visualize data like a data analyst. Now you can work with Copilot in Excel to help analyze, format, and edit your data to gain deeper understanding and insights. Quickly add a formula column. Highlight key data with a prompt like "make all cells red where the value is under 1000, filter and sort your data, and ask questions to instantly uncover key insights. Use Copilot to access advanced analytics, create powerful, professional visualizations, generate forecasts, and save time sorting through data. With Python in Excel.